Wow.
Look around, look behind you, look behind you. There's a pole to it.
I never seen this many birds.
Let's leave from here, Annie. I don't like this. This is not right. Can we leave from here? We can go up ahead. Come on, back to the car mark. Come on, right now. Ahí, the all black birds? Yeah. Sorry. Ahí, guys, look behind you. Look behind you. Get in the car, Justin. Call your sister.
Look at all these birds. This is the bird epidemic. We're 100 miles out of San Francisco.
Let's go. That's 100%.
Look at this. Look. Look at all these birds. I see. Look at all this. All these birds are coming in. We don't know from where. Look at all this.
From the boat.
This will be on YouTube. This is a bird infection.
Wow.
Are you guys ready? Get in the car.